Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial. I am Lucia Perez, a student of professional training in business administration. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to create a directory in Word. As I in the first video, the first step is to have a folder structure in documents. The second is download the equipment database and change the first name. In this case is to change. Now I'm going to open Word and I'm going to start explain the directory. The first steps is select the blank document in mailings and start mail merge, select this option directory, and now in select recipient, select the use unassigned list. In this case, going to mailings, directory, basic and date basic. And now insert the title, for example, the most important list customers, and select the text, insert home, aligning, bold, now in mailings insert merge field. In this case is only the name. And now this most important, this part in rulers, select the next record, select Ctrl C, enter, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, and for example this, select this part, home, numbering, and 14 customers. And now in mailings, select in this part preview results, and this is the customers list. And now I select the Spanish customer. In this part, in país, select this option. In this part, in advanced, in field, select the país, and in this part type in the España and click on OK. And in this case, select the customer of España. In this case is 5 customers. Click on OK. And now select the customers. Now in File, and Save As, Browse, in Mailings, Directory, Basic. In this case, the name of this part is MD directory, only name, and all customers. Save. And now in Finish and Merge, select this option, Edit Individual Document, and select the all document. Click on OK. And mailings. Now in this part, select the Spanish customers, and in File, Save As, Browse, in mailings, directory, basic, and in this case is MED, and only name in all customers, type in only Spanish customers. Save as. And now this exercise, the directory finished. Well, I hope you like it and see you in the next video tutorial. Bye!